Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove a professional account on your Instagram. So first you need to open Instagram like this. Then after you can see your profile icon in the bottom right corner, just tap on it. In this menu you can see there is a 3 lines in top right corner, just tap on it. And you need to scroll down. In the professional section you can see business tools and control. If you are using creator account, you will be able to find creator tools and controls. Then tap on it and scroll down and you can see there's an option called switch account type. Just tap on it. You can tap on switch to personal account like this, and it says these are the things you will be lose from moving to professional account to Instagram. So you can't access the ads anymore. So once you are see that, you can tap on switch to personal account. Now you can see small pop-up appear here. Now you are in the personal account mode. So this is how you can remove professional mode on your Instagram. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.